All right, quiz 2.06, example 5. We are going to fill in the blanks for this paragraph proof. So we are given triangle ABC. Angle A has a measure of 58. Angle B has a measure of 2x plus 5, and the measure of angle C is x. And we're going to prove that x equals 39. So by the blank, the sum of the angles in the triangle equal 180 degrees. That is the triangle sum theorem. Says that sum of the angles in a triangle equal 180 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C equals 180. Using the substitution property, you get 58 degrees plus 2x plus 5 plus x equals 180. We simplifying the equation gets, and simplifying means we combine like terms. We have 2x plus x, that would give us 3x. And then we have 58 plus 5, and that would give us 63, still equal to 180. Then 3x equals 117 degrees by the subtraction property. They subtracted 63 from both sides and got 3x equals 117. Finally, using the blank, x equals 39. So then to finally solve this equation, we had to divide by 3 on both sides. That is the division property of equality.